So these abs exercise is very amazing. As you can see, I'm just using this abs roller, holding it very tightly. You have to hold very tightly, because if you don't hold it tightly, you're not able to create the overall intention around your arms, around your shoulder, and that will help you to create intention around your abs muscle. As you can see, my hand is very tight. I'm holding it very tightly. So what is happening, what I'm doing here, I'm trying to prevent myself from getting injured, because here we're giving a lot of stress around your shoulder areas. Our elbow gets very strength, and we are targeting our lower back and front abdominals mainly. So we have to keep our body very stiff, mainly the upper portion and the lower back. So you have to keep yourself and extend your roller as far as you can. In that way, the more forward you will get, the better extension, the better contraction you will be able to create around your abdominal muscles. So try to perform with proper control. If you, when you start doing this exercise, might be a problem that you're not able to perform it in a better way. So you start, it's not important that you have to give a full extension. You can start with the halfway, and later on you can increase the extension